So it turned out not to be the evaporator. It was the refrigerant that was traveling up the line set cover insulation going inside, picking up that 1, 2, 3, 4%. It is actually one of the fittings, and as you can see right here, you can hear it. And then if you use bingo. So it doesn't matter if you use a torque wrench. So I installed this back in 2013, a Samsung, and yes, I did use a torque wrench. And around this time was starting to be the time when I just started cutting off factory fittings and I braze them in solid. And after this time, you won't see me installing fittings, because it didn't matter whether you used the torque wrench or not, and whether you had them cleaned, whether you had them lubricated. I did find one product that would hold the threads tight and not break apart or not loosen, because these are expanding and contracting, and you only can expand and contract two mechanical joints that are held in place so many cycles before they just naturally give, because that's what they were meant to do. They were not meant to cycle. If they never cycled through temperature or pressure, they would hold. But this cycles both temperature and pressure, so they're a mechanical device, and all mechanical devices fail when constant movement in two directions. And so I'm just gonna cut these out and braze in a piece of copper, and that'll take care of that. And put on a vacuum pump overnight and charge her back up.